Ew, look at the dead bird that the dog brought in.
That's
Ew.
not a bird, dude.
What?
That's teeth.
Oh, ew. Get out, Jimmy. Look at it. It's a dead rodent thing. Ew, you're touching it.
I'm not touching it.
Whoa! Ew! It's not half.
What happened?
It broke in half. Get it away. Stop. Don't even do that.
Let me see. Something fell off of it.
Oh, that's dead rodent.
Don't make me laugh.
Don't make it yours. Yeah, stop. That is the most disgusting. You are not putting it in the trash can.
Well, now I gotta put it somewhere.
Yeah, don't put it in the trash. I gotta take it out. No.
Oh, Jimmy, don't be such a wuss.
It's a dead that used to be living, not anymore. Dead. Look, you're putting it in a cereal box. Okay, that makes more sense than I had planned. But okay, I'll just go outside and discuss this. She put it in a cereal box. Oh my god. Okay. Should I post this on Facebook? Is that a good idea? I think I should.